Ladies and gentlemen, before we dive into this mobile masterpiece, don't forget to subscribe to CampAvto, where we tour small homes with big personalities and give you all the laughs, specs, and surprises your inner nomad could ask for. Now, back to Gretti, a 26-foot, 8 meters Aussie-built tiny home from Konpak that's less rustic cabin in the woods and more weekend escape for people who own matching towels. This model was designed with hospitality in mind. Think glamping vibes with actual plumbing. Yet I think it could easily work as a full-time home for a solo minimalist who enjoys space, sunlight, and pretending to cook. Inside, you've got a smart layout. A multi-purpose cabinet divides the kitchen and bedroom. I like the bedroom best. No loft ladders here, just a full bed, nightstands, and room to stretch without headbutting the ceiling. The kitchen, while compact, doesn't skimp. A 2-burner gas stove, mini fridge, LED-lit cabinetry, and countertop space for more than just a cutting board. This is what happens when a builder actually cooks. There's even space for a dining table with chairs, perfectly placed to soak up nature views through a large lounge window. Oh yeah, we're talking a full-size shower with semi-frameless glass, not a garden hose nailed to a wall like Darren's trailer, a stylish vanity, and enough storage to actually hide your toothpaste. And since it's near the bedroom, it feels like a fancy ensuite. I believe this would crush it on Airbnb. Standard features include aluminum windows, gas hot water, and hookups for power and waste. Or go full off-grid with solar and rainwater systems. Priced at AUD 126,000, about $78,800 USD or 73,000 euros. It's surprisingly affordable for something that makes your uncle's cabin look like a plywood shed with plumbing issues. And folks, if you've enjoyed this ride through Gretti, consider becoming a CampAvto sponsor. For just $1, yes, one single George Washington, you can help keep us on the road and far away from Darren's soggy trailer. The link's in the description under the video. Go on, give it a click before Darren lists it on Airbnb again.